Hi, this is Anne at Pocono Mountain Public Library. We're always really excited when we get a new delivery of books at the library. So we're going to open it today, and I thought I'd show you what we just got.
Yay!
Most of these books are for our adult readers, but maybe some ambitious teens. We also picked up some nonfiction to add to our collection. So the first book here is called Hood Feminism by Mickey Kendall. It's notes from the women that the movement forgot. This should be fun for anybody who's interested in reading some alternative nonfiction. There's also another nonfiction book called Rage Against the Minivan, Learning to Parent Without Perfection by Kristen Howerton. So that should be a lot of fun for us parents. Okay, another one is called Just Us, An American Conversation by Claudia Rankine. She's also the author of a book called Citizen. And this is just a book about race and politics in the United States. This one, I think, looks really interesting. It's called The Organ Thieves, the shocking story of the first heart transplant in the segregated South. This one is very highly recommended. It's by an author, Chip Jones.
That sounds interesting.
Yes. Okay. And here's another one we all need right now. It's called Ready, Set, Breathe. It's also for young people as well as adults. It's practicing mindfulness with your children for fewer meltdowns and a more peaceful family. So this should be really helpful, and anyone who's also interested in mindfulness should attend one of our Zoom meditation sessions we have twice a month. And you can call Joe and ask him to sign you up for that if you're interested. And
They work really well.
They do work well. Bev is awesome. I've sat through many of her meditation sessions. Okay, this is last, the nonfiction called Parable of the Brown Girl, The Sacred Lives of Girls of Color by Khristi Lauren Adams. And this is just a great book for anyone who's interested in some personal growth and development. Okay, so now for fiction. Here's another James Patterson book. It's co-authored with J.D. Barker. It's called The Coast to Coast Murder, a novel of psychological suspense. So that's good for Halloween. We ordered 3 of the Witcher novels. That's also on Netflix. We have The Tower of Swallows, The Lady of the Lake, and Sword of Destiny.
That's the show with Henry Cavill, the guy who played Superman, right?
Oh, yes, I think you're right.
I think that's the one.
Yeah, because here's this like big handsome fellow here, and I think you're right. So anyway, those will be ready to go, and that's kind of exciting. We have a book called The Unraveling of Cassidy Holmes by Elissa Sloan. A book called Recursion by Blake Crouch. I don't know what that's about.
I think that's on hold for somebody.
Probably. These are all bestsellers. We try to get the hottest of the hot new fiction. This one's called The Boyfriend Project. It looks like a lot of fun. By Farrah, Rochon, or Rochon. I'm not sure how to say that. Let's see. What Are You Going Through? By Sigrid Nunez. This is a National Book Award-winning author of also a book called The Friend. And this is a meditation on loss. It's kind of sad. Okay, here's popular Stuart Woods called Choppy Water. Looks like a lot of fun. All right.
Good suspense thriller.
Suspense and thriller. Okay, here we have Grown Ups. It's kind of like pop fiction by Emma Jane Unsworth. All right. And it's supposed to be funny. Okay. Let's see. Razor sharp humor.
We need some humor in these days.
We need humor. Very popular Louise Penny new book called All the Devils Are Here.
She is very popular.
I know, she's super popular. We probably already have holds for that. And here's something new, a thriller by Brad Thor. It's called Near Dark. I don't know anything about his writing, but he's really super popular.
I think he does spy thrillers.
Okay, he does spy thrillers. And then this one's kind of artsy. It's called Red Pill by Hari Kunzru. And let's see, what does it say back here? Seems like he's a thriller-ish. Let's see. I don't know, but it looks interesting, so that's why I ordered it. Okay, it's hard to keep track of all the books when you order them all. This one's called One by One by Ruth Ware. She's also a best-selling author, and it looks like these are kind of mystery suspense. And our population up here, our patrons, really like mystery and suspense novels. And here's Emma Straub, All Adults Here. And this is something that looks like how, what does it say? A novel about how we try and fail at every age and still somehow survive. So it seems like one of those like nice novels to read.
We're still here.
We're still here. So anyway, these books are going to be ready to place on hold. If you don't know how to search our Spark system, you can always call the staff and ask them for help. And we'll get you set up with a curbside appointment to pick up your new books, or you can come in and browse our new books in the cafe space. Thank you. This is Ann saying goodbye.